All right, so on 1.9, when you open up the Schoology piece, it's going to tell you, here's my statement, here's my conclusion, and here's the reason. Okay, the only downside is you have to do all the conclusions first and then do all the reasons next. Okay, that's a limitation of the Schoology. So then I'm going to look at the first one. If the measurement of angle 1 is 123 degrees, is that acute or obtuse? It is obtuse. So I'm going to scroll down and go look for obtuse. So I have angle 1 is obtuse. Do we all see that? So I'm going to click on it and it's going to highlight, right? And then I'm going to go up here and go, well, I'm going to drop it right on the first conclusion. Y'all see what just happened? Okay. And then if I go on to the next one, the midpoint. Midpoint has a flashcard. So when I go to my flashcard, I'm going to scroll to flashcard number 7. And when I say number 7, y'all see the 7 on the bottom right? Okay. So here's how you read this. Make sure you're on that screen. If M is a midpoint of AB, then I know AM is congruent to MB. That's my conclusion by the definition of midpoint, and that's my reason. Got it? And you can go vice versa. I can go AM is congruent to MB, therefore M is a midpoint of AB by definition of midpoint. I can always use it backwards as well. So in this case over here, I have B is a midpoint of AC, so I know what two are congruent. Which two are congruent? AB is congruent to BC, right? So I'm going to scroll up here and drop it right down. So I know we can't get to the reasoning part, but when you get to the reasoning, it's definition of midpoint. And that's going to be as an option on the bottom. We're clear on that? Okay? So some of the obvious ones, we're not going to have a flashcard for like this, like the obtuse angle. We all know what that is. Okay? The ones that are not obvious, I want you as a group kind of scavenger and be like, hey, look for the word midpoint. Look for the word supplementary. Just kind of assign it to each other. Okay? And together, y'all complete this. Make sense? Scavenger? All right.